She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes the long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady gets walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of the moment is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got a naked head, so I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and they tell her as to turn out the lights, the same as darling, you wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you wonderful tonight.
Hello. Abaw. Thank you.
Sitting there, whispered a wonder in this old piano, trying hard to catch just the moment. It's more than I don't know. 'Cause a bottle of vodka still lies in my head, still glancing the nightmares. I think that you're still in my bed. As I dream about movies, don't wake me when I'm there. Down by a cloud feast, wake up, French kiss in the morning. Want so much in back, it's on beat in my head while I'm talking about all of the things that I long to believe in love and the truth that you meant to me. The truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses for tonight. I sleep on the bed of nails, so I want to be just as close as and Holy Ghost and lay you down onto bed of roses. Well, I'm so far away. Each step that I take is on my way home. King's ransom in times, I'll give each this night to this faithful. See around on the town, and then hard to get through to the birds on the wild. Last me back to you, I just close my eyes. Baby, I just answer. I wanna lay you down in the bed of roses for tonight. I'll sleep on the bed of nails, so I want to be just as close as and the Holy Ghost is and let you down on the bed of roses. Will this hotel bag have offers whiskey and try to buy keep us with girl? Just give in the eye. Well, I might have say yeah, but I lost all I think that I died. Yeah, oh yeah. Rise, you know about the thinking about you. Why my mister, she calls me to stand in a spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone to know that I mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove, for it's you that I die to be free. I wouldn't lay you down to the bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on the bed of nails. So I want to be just as close as and Holy Ghost and lay you down. I wanna lay you down to the bed of roses. For tonight I'll sleep on the bed of nails. I want to be just as close as and Holy Ghost and lay you down on the bed of roses.
Oh, barangay sana.